Hi everyone, today I will talking about ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP is not just a software, it's a backbone of modern business operations. From finance and HR to manufacturing and supply chain, ERP integrates everything into one system. So we will look at how ERP started, how it evolved, where it's used today in both private companies and even governments. I will also share examples from local companies, global companies, like how to show ERP impacts in real business. By the end, you will see why ERP is called the digital nervous system of an organization. What is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It's an integrated software that manages finance, HR, manufacturing, supply chain management, and sales in real time. For example, Coca-Cola uses SAP S/4HANA to manage its global supply chain management. Origin. ERP started in 1960s with the material requirement planning for manufacturing. In the 1990s, it expanded to HR, finance, and CRM like SAP R3. R means real time, and 3 means a three-tier architecture. So today's it's a cloud and AI driven like SAP S/4HANA Cloud or Oracle NetSuite. ERP systems expansion. ERP was first for manufacturing, but now it's used in retail, healthcare, and even education. It moved from on premises to cloud. ERP was on premises installed on company's own server, now moving to the cloud ERP hosted online and integrates with Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and big data analytics for smarter business operations. For example, NHS uses ERP to manage HR and payroll in healthcare. Cloud ERP example Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a popular cloud ERP adopted by SMEs worldwide. Functional areas. ERP covers all core business functions: finance, HR, manufacturing, supply chain, CRM, and project management. For example, Siemens uses SAP FI for finance, and Adidas connects Salesforce CRM with SAP ERP. Project management, example Odoo projects for SMEs. ERP in government. GRP, Government Resource Planning. Governments use ERP, that's called GRP, Government Resource Planning. So it helps in payroll, budgeting, and citizen services. For instance, Indian Railways uses SAP ERP for payroll, and Dubai uses Oracle PeopleSoft for budgeting. So GRP is equal to ERP designed for government operations. Best practices. To succeed with ERP, align with business goals to support the company's main objectives. Involve key persons early. Get decision makers, department heads, and important users involved from the start. For example, Unilever included all the departments in their SAP rollout project. SAP rollout means extending SAP configuration from one location to another location so that everyone's needs were considered. Providing training and change management. Employees must be trained to use the ERP effectively and guided through changes in the process. For example, Toyota uses SAP for global while Nestle reduced custom coding for smoother upgrades. Connectivity to plant floor information. ERP can connect with the shop floor systems like SCADA, supervisory control and data acquisition, and MES, manufacturing execution system. It's nothing but monitor and control machinery and production process. In real-time updates, ERP can receive live information about the production, product quality and inventory levels, better scheduling and less downtime. This helps the plan production more accurately and reduce machine stoppages. For example, a textile factory uses SAP ME to track how many products a machine is making in a real time. Internet of Things sensor integration that measures things like speed, temperature, or defects. This gives accurate real-time production statistics. For example, Bosch integrates MES with ERP so defects can be detected instantly and fixed before bigger problems occur. Implementation stages. ERP implementation goes in stages: process preparation, configuration, customization, extensions, and data migrations. For example, Tata Steel analyzed workflows before SAP S/4HANA, and companies often migrate old Excel data into the Oracle ERP. I already given here examples for every stages. Two-tier ERP. Two-tier ERP means global companies use two-tier ERP. One main ERP for headquarters and smaller ERPs for local operations. For example, P&G uses Tier 1 SAP ERP at headquarters managing global strategy and finance. Tier 2 local ERP systems in branches for handling country specific operations. So why it's used? Large companies operate in many countries with different rules. So two-tier ERP lets them manage the global corporate needs while also meeting the global local compliance, laws, taxes, processes. Advantages: ERP centralized the data stored in one system. Infosys can instantly access all project budgets in SAP. Real time information enabling immediate insights. Amazon tracks inventory live with the Oracle ERP. Improved productivity and decision making. Ford optimizes its supply chain using SAP Analytics. Scalable for business growth. ERP systems can expand with the company. Benefits: reduced duplication and errors, faster customer service, better compliance and audit readiness, cost savings in the long run. Disadvantages: on the flip side, ERP has a high initial cost, complex implementations, and requires a staff training. For examples, Hershey's ERP rollout failed due to the poor planning. Adoption rates: over 90% of large enterprises already use ERP, led by SAP and Oracle. Cloud ERP makes adoption easier for SMEs. Popular tools include Zoho, Odoo, and Tally. Postmodern ERP. Postmodern ERP is a modular using a core ERP plus specialized apps. For example, SAP S/4HANA as the core, Salesforce for CRM, and Shopify for e-commerce, all connected via APIs. Conclusion: ERP is not just a software, it's a business transformation tool. ERP has evolved from simple manufacturing tools into powerful cloud-based systems that business success, becoming a smarter, faster, and more connected. So it brings efficiency, real-time data and global connectivity, but also comes with challenges like cost and training. The future of ERP is cloud first, AI powered, and modular. So, thank you for listening. I will be happy to take your questions. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe. Our next topic is what is SAP.